What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash, back with another video. And today I have an opening, unboxing, and setup of this little guy. This is the Upright Pro 2 from Upright, and it is a personal posture trainer, as you can see here. So this is the second generation of their Upright Go. It's a device you stick to the top upper middle of your back in between your shoulders that gently reminds you while you're wearing it to sit up straight. I've mentioned it many times on this channel. I have terrible posture, so I've been trying to figure out how to help myself. I figure electronics might be a way to go, so I wanted to check this out. The packaging here is pretty cool, nice and modern with things that are, you know, the metal or the magnetic clasps and things. So real quick, before we get into that, I'll go over the differences between the new version and the last one. So just a couple of really quick things here. It is lighter, it is smaller, and it has 3 times the battery life. So it goes from about 12 hours of constant use to up to 30 hours. So that's great. The adhesive strips are 40% wider. And this ran me about $100 on Amazon. So they're not cheap, but you can do a few different things. You can do a continuous use type of situation where you just wear it all the time as much as you can, or you can do training type modes. Apparently with muscles and posture, you can get yourself into these little sections where you do it for 15 minutes at a time every, several hours, and eventually you'll just start to sit or walk or stand that way by yourself. So that's kind of the idea. So packaging on the front here, really cool, has that little magnetic clasp. It says right here, gentle vibration reminder, stronger core muscles, posture tracking, training stats, individual training plan. This is what the packaging looks like. It's this nice little cool package that you grab right here. So on the bottom here, there's a little arrow strip. Grab that, peel it off, flick it off, won't come off, okay? And then it's gonna slip out of the package here, and this is gonna come up. On top we have some information, a little tab that says welcome, ready, set, go. So in here is a user manual information, alcohol prep pad for your skin so that it's clean, a ton of adhesive strips, and an adhesive tool removal that looks like a guitar pick. So you get quite a bit in here. I'm sure you have to get more adhesive strips over time if you haven't really trained long enough to where you're done. Or I don't know exactly how this will work. If you guys have used these before, or if you have any experience, let me know down in the comments, let other people know. I am totally new to this, so whatever I'm going over right now, I don't know fully. There is 2 plastic pieces over the top, and I already see how this is more future-proof. It is USB Type-C, and it comes with a charger in the box. It is a USB-A to a USB-C. We don't need to look at that because we know what that is. And here is the packaging. So it kind of stays in this. This stays closed with like a magnet. Not the strongest one, but it should stay closed. There's the device itself. So you charge it. You can see it's really thin. Those are the adhesive strips. Upright has a button here, their logo here, USB Type-C on the back. This is where you peel and stick to your back. So yeah, you would hardly notice this. I mean, you're gonna notice it a little bit. A little, basically a carry case to hold the extra adhesive strips up top. We're gonna need that out. Hopefully it's charged a little bit. The app, I just signed in, so you can see here, it's asking for more info. So it's gender, height, weight, how many hours a day do you sit, how would you rate your overall back pain. So I'm gonna go through these a little bit. So male, I'm gonna switch over. Let me just put in my stats here real quick. So this is kind of like any tracking app. It's gonna ask you, your stats and what you're doing so it can try to help you. How would you rate your overall back pain? Oh, I'm gonna do a 6 out of 10. Mine is more in my neck for forward head posture, but how would you rate your posture? I would say a 2 out of 10. Save info, so let's see what happens there. Hi, Nathan, your training plan was built on your personal information. Your training plan has a total of 21 days. Each training day has a goal, a daily goal that represents your recommended training time. Upright has 2 modes. While on training mode, vibration feedback is on. So basically, while you're wearing this, if you tilt over, it's going to vibrate and basically say, hey, you're not standing or sitting upright. Once the countdown is over, your go will vibrate. Later in the app, you can tap the red circle to adjust the vibration feedback. In tracking mode, the go won't vibrate, but still track your... Okay, so tracking mode is going to give you stats after a while, after a certain set of time. It's not going to tell you you're doing something wrong. It's going to try to see how you're actually doing. You can only achieve your daily goals in training mode. Let's start using your upright go. First, press the power button. Okay, so we're gonna do this setup now. Pressed it, it vibrated in my hand. That's a pretty strong vibration, which is good. Next, connect to your upright go. It found it and connected. Peel off the green pattern covered from the back side of your go. Attach go vertically to your upper back to any spot that you can comfortably reach. Either side can be facing. So you can see in the photo where she's putting the adhesive stick. It's right in the middle of her upper shoulders, somewhere that you can comfortably reach. So I'm going to put this on. Wow, those are very sticky. It's almost like a goo instead of a sticker. All right, seems to be stuck pretty good, and I'm a little sweaty out. Of course, the camera died on me there. So to avoid losing your upright go, we recommend using it indoors the first few training sessions until you get used to wearing it. So sounds like it wants to make sure you don't lose it, basically. Set posture teaches the device whether you're upright or not. Move to your upright position. Try not to overextend. Okay, so I'm going to set my posture. Stay upright. The upright go is now set to your posture. You are now in training mode. It is important to set your posture every time you put your upright go on. You can set your posture easily anytime throughout the day. Good to know. Okay, you're ready to start improving your posture. For best results, use the go at least 3 times a week. I'm ready. Improve your training. Please allow on the next dialog to receive real-time updates. So it's asking me to receive notifications. Allow. Hi there. Choose one of our 3 trainers to better adjust vibration feedback. Standard for moderate activity, stationary, and active. So it's asking which one best fits your activity. So probably standard for most people. Okay, so it's basically, you can see if I lean over, it's real time telling me that I'm doing something wrong. And if I sit up, it goes green. So we're in training mode right now, so we can do tracking or whatever we want. It's asking you what kind of activity you're doing. So this is a cool little device. I'm gonna see kind of how it works, but I kind of wanted to just do a setup in case anybody was wondering how to set this up. I'm interested to see if this will help me, kind of like, it's kind of like a nudge, somebody saying, hey, sit up, or you know, your mom the whole time you're growing up telling you to sit up and have better posture. So it comes in this cool little case like I showed, and it's already vibrating, telling me that I'm doing something wrong because I never sit up straight, and now I'm sitting up straight and it stopped vibrating. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, but as always, I'll talk to you next time. Later.